Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Patricia Pascual Gasco, 24 years old. I'm married. My religion is Roman Catholic. I have two children, 7 years old and 2 years old. My husband work is meat handler, and I have 4 brothers, 2 sisters. I'm 6 in the family, and I'm a school graduate. About my experience in Philippines in 2 years, take care of the children, 10 years old and 2 years old. By children, by giving the nutritious food, vitamins, and tutoring them, and play with them like my own family. About the 2 years old, by giving the vitamins, foods, and change diaper, bathing them every day, and play with them like my own family. And me, Ma'am, I'm hardworking person, trustworthy, honest, and responsible. Please, Ma'am, hire me. Thank you.